In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your Perplexity AI account to access additional features. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes using your browser or the app. Begin by opening Perplexity AI in your preferred web browser or mobile application. Ensure you are on the main interface where you can see the dashboard or home screen of Perplexity AI to proceed correctly. Next, locate the profile icon, which is typically found in the bottom left corner of the interface. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with various options related to your account settings. After that, from the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Upgrade Plans. This selection will direct you to a new screen where you can view the various subscription options available to you. You will now see a list of available plans such as Pro, Enterprise, and possibly others. Take a moment to review the features included with each plan to determine which one best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the plan you want to upgrade to. This action will typically prompt a new button to appear labeled Upgrade or Subscribe. Click on this button to continue the process. At this stage, you will be required to enter your payment details. This includes information such as your credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that all details are entered accurately to avoid any issues. After entering your payment information, confirm your details and submit the upgrade request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your upgrade is being processed. Depending on the system, this may take a few moments. Once completed, your account will immediately reflect the new features associated with the upgraded plan. This allows you to start utilizing the enhanced capabilities of Perplexity AI right away. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.